For an optimal sauna experience, we highly recommend using the HIVE air tunnel, which helps to reduce your heating time. Also, by doing that, you will need 40 kilograms less stones. The stones will be easier to place, and the heating elements will be protected. If you want to learn how to place the stones with the air tunnel, please check out the video in the description below. We recommend rinsing the stones with clear water, so there will be no dust smell the first time you use your sauna. Find a good spot to place the stones. Every stone can fit somewhere. For HIVE sauna heaters, we advise you to place the stones circle-wise, layer by layer, to ensure the casing doesn't bend to one side. To keep the outside stone layer in place, use larger stones to the outside and smaller ones to fix them. Ensure that the stones are placed between the heating elements, preventing them from touching each other. All of the heating elements must be covered with stones. Make sure that the stones reach at least the last casing circle. Lastly, try to leave the larger stones on the top layer, as they will absorb the most heat and last longer when you throw the layle. And that's it! You're ready to enjoy your first layle. For further questions, please visit our website www.HUUM.eu or contact our reseller.